Hello everybody, and welcome to episode 5 of the Atom Product Tutorial Series. I know it's been about a month now since I posted the last video. I've been procrastinating. Suck it up. Also, I'm using, like, a background noise suppressor, so if this sounds like crap, I don't care. And also, Studio's actually decided to start using my GPU to render now, so it's actually smooth. But alright, let's get started. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up the Atom fans. So just like this normal ceiling fans. So of course first we're gonna need to insert the model, which I will link in the description. You can also find it in the toolbox, just look up like Atom fan. Yeah, these are the ones I'm using, the Cormac ceiling fans. Just look up Atom fan and you'll get like all of them. But the setup is pretty simple. I had someone recommend I do this one, so that's why I'm doing it. I don't need that right now. But as you can see in this fan kit, you get 5 different colors. I'm pretty sure, yeah, the blades are reversible color too, like in real life. Most of them, yeah. And this one comes with the comfort speed switch. There's also there's other ones too. There's the adaptive speed. I don't think that one's available yet. No. It is not. But, or some of them come with just a light switch and pull chains, but this one's just like the regular switch. So for this one, I'm gonna go with this one right here, because it looks the best in my opinion. So, you can see it's in the fan group. Do not ungroup this, please. Just go in and delete whichever one you don't want, or whichever ones you don't want. And you can have as many fans in here as in this group as you want, and they'll all work with the one switch. So, let's move this over here. And all the Atom fans are very high quality too. You can see they have actual insides designed. I didn't know this one actually had little IC chips, but it does apparently. But yeah, it's all fully designed, as you can see with our what are these fans called? Ah, yes, the optimum efficient series of fans. So, first, let's move our fan to where we want it. Just use the move tool and move this around to wherever you want this at. I'll put it, yeah, I want to put it in the middle, since, you know, it's a fan, and you typically have those in the middle of a room. So I'll just put it right there. And then, of course, take our switch. Let me turn my camera light back on. And move our switch over where we want it. And once again, my studio looks different because I'm using the beta version of everything. Because why the heck not? And then just switch that over, and it appears that I need to... What is going on with these light switches? So, someone went into this game and, like, changed all my light switches for some reason. I don't know what happened. Someone in the group. Yeah, all these light switches, these are not what they were before. I don't know who changed them, but if it's you, you better stop. Alright, so, I'll work on that later, but we'll just put our switch right there. Hook it up to your breaker panel. We don't need the spoof breaker. Do not remove this if you're not going to use a breaker panel, or else it won't work. So I'm going to delete that. I'm going to go to the breaker panel. Let's get rid of the door for now, so I can put in a breaker here. Let's get rid of that knockout. And then move this down. Perfect. And I'm just going to name it fan, because I said so. There we go. Fan. And let me put the door back. So now we want to use fan as our breaker. So we'll just go into the fan group, breaker, and then in properties, select value, and then select, oh, again, I kind of need this open, and select fan. And there we go. That's basically all you need to do. So let's run the game. I've just been doing a lot of stuff lately. I'm sorry this is coming out so late. School and all that bullcrap. Alright, see our fan is right here. We can hit the power switch to turn on the controller. We can hit light up to turn on the light. Some of these have adjustable light brightnesses, this one doesn't. And that does have adjustable fan speeds though, which is... Are you kidding me? Okay, so I don't think it works in Studio. I forgot. Yeah, they don't work in Studio. Really, bro, get out of here. Oh my god. Thank you, Google. But it does work in actual game, trust me. But, oh. The, breaker should work. Yeah, that turns it off. The only annoying thing I find is when you turn the breaker back on, the switch stays off by default, which is pisses me off. But, you know, it is how it is. Well, that's basically it. I don't know what else you want me to say. And then if it did actually work, this button right here reverses the direction of the blades. Like, what way it's going. I have no clue why it doesn't work in a Studio. Yeah, like, it says it's on. Speed is set to 4, something to 1. Yeah, it doesn't do anything. It does work in game, and, they're really good fans, so I just really don't feel like opening Roblox right now and showing you. You can do that yourself. How about that? If you wanted to, like, you know, extend this, you could. Basically, to do that, you just grab everything, unselect, in mounting hardware, unselect mounting hardware, then select coupler hardware, and that's it. And then you can move that down, and then you can just, you know, extend the downrod. Be easy. But yeah, there you have it. That's how you use the fans. If you have any comments or questions, leave those in the comment section down below. If you'd like to suggest another tutorial, do that as well. I may get around to it. I don't know. I don't care. And I will see you guys in the next one whenever that comes out. Goodbye.